Does this happen on your model railroad? Find out how to erase it coming up next. You're watching the Norfolk Southern Sherwood subdivision. I'm Harold, thanks for watching. So you have dirty track, and we'll need to find some way to clean it up. Well, why don't we erase it? Here are the products we will be using. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, about $4. Tub and Tile Erasers, this is the store-bought brand of Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, about $2. And sitting behind it, a jug of distilled, very important to use, distilled water. What is Mr. Clean Magic Eraser? This is the stuff you see advertised on TV that can take marks off walls without damaging the paint. It can clean glass without scratching it. Well, that sounds promising. We don't want scratches on our track. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser contains no solvents, no soap. It's simply a closed cell sponge. And we'll get to using it in just a moment. Using Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is really simple. You have the sponge, you wet it, not wringing wet, damp, with the distilled water, and you run it up and down the track. Six light passes. We got some dirt. More dirt. So 6 to 10 light passes, no pressure applied, nothing comes off but the dirt. Here's the result. Well, the real proof is, will our train run now? And we'll find out in a moment. Have we erased our problem? This is the exact same speed we used when we had the failure. No stalling, no loss of power, normal operation. That appears to be a success. The conclusion we would draw is that this is an effective method for cleaning our track. The locomotive didn't work. After we cleaned it, it worked fine. Also, this is a chemical-free, solvent-free, scratch-free method by which you can clean your track without damaging it or using harsh chemicals on it. So I think there are a couple benefits that you might obtain by using Mr. Clean Magic Eraser or the lesser cost generic equivalent. We all have methods by which we clean our track. We've been doing it for years. If you're satisfied with the method you're using right now, by all means, continue using that. It works for you. I was looking for a new method. I came across this product. I've tried it out, and I think you can see from the video, it was effective. If you want to try a different method, perhaps this one's for you. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser or its generic equivalent. Do not use harsh chemicals. They do not scratch your track, but they do erase your track. And at the end of the day, isn't that what we want? A clean surface on which our locomotives can run. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching the Norfolk Southern Sherwood subdivision.